Welcome to our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to turn off the notification of Threads account. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. First you have to click on your profile icon and then click on the three dot at the top right. Now you have to click on the notification option at the second number. You see the option pause all. You turn on this option, and the option, there is a lot of options, that is you turn off the notification for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, for 2 hour, for 4 hour. So we needed to turn off it for 8 hours, hence notification is turned off. Thanks for watching.